Day 3 of nature videos. Given that a lot of my videos probably will be here in Green Cay Wetlands, and I started out with one in there, I'll take you through the entrance. And notice in terms of nature, there are the light and shadows on the boardwalk. It's getting towards sunset, so sorry for the bouncing. So one section where we see some interesting birds will be fairly dark, given that it's near sunset. And the shadows, and yesterday was light and shadows and moving. Now the lights and the shadows on the boardwalk are still. There's no breeze. I don't know whether they would have breeze, wouldn't affect them anyway, since what we're seeing is the light coming between the wood railings. Thing I like most here, of course, is the water. And there are 2 bird feeders here that occasionally, and it may be off season, you'll see painted bunting. Now, I don't know if you can see, there's the bird feeder in the distance. I'm really blessed to be so close. And there's another one. And one of the things that's always great here is the wonderful people and the smiles. If ever I'm feeling sad or lonely, I know I can come here, and you can actually go anywhere, I'm sure. Give a smile, and people will smile back at you. Makes a whole big difference. We're coming to the first section. This is man-made, and it recycles water at Cay Wetlands. I wanted to move away so I don't have permission to be showing people. So without that, I'm just going to give you an overview of entering to the right, and there again is water, cloud reflections. That's spatter duck. It has a yellow flower that sometimes you'll see. We're going to be turning left. And you'll see up ahead, there's a crosswalk. And to the right, it goes around for a half a mile. And if you go straight and around to the left, it'll be a mile that way. Probably a little bit less. And there again is the rustling water, wind, breeze. And the spatter duck is not flowering. Show the clouds in the sky. And then with the camera, they come here with really long cameras. Often really interesting birds, which I'm sure I'll show you at some point. They're off in the distance to the left. You'll see some more boardwalk. So that's it for the day as I go on to a visit. This is Sheila Finkelstein, Technology for Seniors Made Easy, and Treasure Your Life Now at Green Cay Wetlands. Day 3 of nature videos.